Okay, this is just going to be a very brief video tutorial on the Macmillan dictionary, which I think is absolutely superb. It's got various functions. The first function I want to look at here is, back on the home page here, is the standard search function. Let's try and think of a word. The word I think of is yesterday. Type it in. Whoops, can't spell. Yesterday, and search. Now, first thing to notice is we get the word yesterday as an adverb in red. Click. Now here we see what are red words. What this is red words are the 7,500 words which we British native speakers use 90% of the time. These make up nearly all our vocabulary. And I would suggest that these are the words which you want to concentrate on learning. There can be a difficulty in when you're trying to learn new words, discovering which are the ones you really need. The dictionary helps you here. If it's in red, you must have it. More than that, 3 stars means it's a must. 1 star, slightly less important. Next thing I want to show you is, yes, okay, it gives you the definition. Also, it gives you examples. And I would argue that using examples is one of the best ways of learning vocabulary. One other thing here is yesterday. It gives you the pronunciation. Here we have the phonemic translation of it. Perhaps. But I think that's history, really. I think the yesterday real live sound is where it's happening now. Let's go back a page. What it also does, and this is where I think computers can be better than books, it gives you neatly on one page connected phrases. Let's have a look at this one. Yesterday's news. This is a nice idiomatic phrase. Yesterday news, something that everyone already knows about and is no longer interested in. Or here, example, people who think the environment is yesterday's news are wrong. One other thing I want to show you is, and here, this is where computers beat books, click on the word environment, there you are. You have that immediately, and here we get the built environment. Okay, back on the main page, 1 or 2 other features just want to show you. Something it does, it gives you a word of the day down here. Click on word of the day, and here we get it. Nice, very idiomatic phrase. Sod's law is the theory that if something can go wrong, it will. It's sod's law that the day before you go on holiday, someone offers you a job. As I say, I think this is a really neat program and something, if you're into computers, you should certainly think about using.